So this is a wonderful question that came in 2025 GCE. This particular question, as you can see, is falling under a topic that we get to call wave motion. I will not only teach you how to go about this particular question, because I understand that this is a past paper. This question came and it cannot come exactly like this. This is the reason why I'll try by all means to summarize the whole topic, so that if you get to find such a question in an exam, you are supposed to answer it and get everything correct. So let us now dive into the question here. Saying figure B5.1 shows a wave with a frequency of 40 Hz. Now this is the whole diagram. You know and understand that this is an example of a transverse wave. What is a transverse wave? This is the first question that you need to solve, because in the next question they may ask you about this whole thing. So you understand that a transverse wave, you are talking about a type of a wave whose particles vibrate at a right angle or perpendicular to the direction of the wave. You now understand that here, this top part, this is called a crest. We get to call this thing as a crest. Then the down part here, this is called a trough. We've established an understanding that this is a transverse wave. And we are able to understand that one of the examples of the transverse wave, we get to talk of water wave, we get to talk of electromagnetic waves. All those are examples of what? Transverse waves. Now, the first question here, they are telling us to say, define amplitude. The amplitude, we are talking about the maximum displacement of a particle from its what? Resting position. So, from here up to there, this is the amplitude. So say that is the amplitude. From here up to there, this is the amplitude. This one up to there, this is the what? Amplitude. So this one, this one, this one, they are just the same. This is what we get to call the amplitude. I guess you've gotten the definition here. What are we saying? I won't write it, but I want you to get it. What are we saying? Maximum displacement of a particle from its resting position. We now go to something that may come in an exam, which is wavelength. They may ask you, what is wavelength? Obviously, I've told you that this is a crest, or the highest part there. Even the highest part there is called the what? A crest. So if we want to define wavelength, you need to understand that wavelength, this is the distance between two successive crests. Obviously, this part. So the distance from here up to there, this is what you get to call wavelength. So this whole part, this is wavelength. So I've said distance between two successive crests. We can also define it using other terms, where we get to say that a wavelength, this is the minimum distance at which a wave repeats itself. Have you seen it is starting from here like this? Have you seen the way it started going up? It goes like this. Once it reaches this point, it will start like it started there. So this from here up to there, this is also wavelength. This is the reason why they've put that thing, just to confuse some people. So this is wavelength. Wavelength, symbol lambda like that. So that is wavelength. Now, this question that is here, calculate the speed of the wave. How do we calculate now the speed of the wave? You understand there is only one equation under wave motion, where we get to say velocity is equal to frequency multiplied by wavelength. Do you have frequency? Yes, we've got that frequency, which is what? 40, which is multiplied by what? What is wavelength? I've already told you that is wavelength. So our wavelength in this case is what? 1.5. You get your calculator. What is 40 times 1.5? What is the answer? 60. So 60 meters per second. Since we are saying velocity, some people may be confused. Sir, how come the question is saying velocity? You are using velocity there. The question is saying speed, then I'm using velocity. These are just the same. We are looking at O-level physics, where we get to look at velocity and speed to be the same. All answers are the same. But those of you that are doing advanced, you are going to tell me that speed is a scalar quantity, whilst velocity is a vector quantity, because velocity can be negative 30, negative 20 meters per second, but speed is always positive because this is a scalar, only has the magnitude without direction. Velocity has both magnitude and direction, so we don't go that far. This is the reason why we get to use these same formulas interchangeably. Now we go to this one that is here. Find the period of the wave. Period of the wave. So you understand that if you are told to find frequency, frequency is equal to 1 over period, isn't it? This is the formula we get to use. 1 over period. So if you multiply this, if you make t the subject to the formula, you are going to have tf, which is equal to 1 when you multiply, over f over f. So this cancelled. So t is also equal to 1 over what? Frequency. This is the formula that you can use. So you just say period is equal to 1 over frequency. Frequency. What is our frequency? 40. So 1 over 40, which is equal to, what is the answer here? 1 divided 40. What answer are we getting? We are getting 0.025. Then we put the units seconds. So this is the answer. I guess you've seen how we've answered this particular question. And this is how you are supposed to be answering questions that get to come in an exam. Don't forget, this is your brother and friend Harrison J. Zulu. I get to offer tuitions in mathematics, science, biology, as well as RE 2046. So let me help you get that distinction that you want to get. Online tuitions are on. I'm a full-time online tutor, so online tuitions are on. You can enroll now. I get to help you. I get to explain these things nicely from the start. You understand the two types of waves, the transverse wave, longitudinal waves. We go further together where we look at sound, how to determine the speed of sound, direct method, echo method. We look at light. We understand some critical angles, how to calculate all those things, refractive index. So I'm here to help you understand these subjects at an affordable fee. You can WhatsApp me on my number. Just get a paper, write it down. This is 0971 066747. Maybe someone from outside this particular country, Zambia, wants to text me. This is plus 26097 066747. I'm here to help you get that distinction that you want to get. Don't forget to share and like this video.